Welcome to Painful Budgeter. I am Payne, and today we are talking about happy planners and how to get started on a budget. So you can have the pretty stuff and all kinds of stuff. And a lot of times I go to like thrift stores. I will go to DI thrift store, same thing. Garage stores. I got a lot of the papers from garage sales, dollar stores. If you have a Hobby Lobby or any type of stuff, go check out the clearance items and everything. Like today I went over to Hobby Lobby and this was like 64 cents for some ink. I got some refills. I guess they were getting rid of these. These are like 50 cents for the refills, and I made sure I got the ones that I already have. I got a new yellow one, so I decided to get a yellow ink. And I got blues and purples and browns. I just need to get black, but get black anywhere. And so some of the ideas is like this I got over at Five and Below. We have some just Halloween stuff. We have some of the Salem Witches, Hocus Pocus, and some It. And I figured this one I'm going to do mostly just stickers and kind of more bright colored stuff. And also you can get some, it's a good time to start stocking up, going to the dollar store and getting some, these are like the 2 for $5. Excuse me. These were the 2 for $1, sorry. And I usually try to look for stuff that's going to be small enough that you can cut out. And I can cut out these pumpkins and they'll be small enough that I can kind of just put them in here in different areas and just use some glue to glue them down. And I have a glue stick somewhere. And I just use the simple old Elmer's glue. I'm sure there's better ones out there, but doesn't matter as long as it sticks long enough for me to use it. That's all that matters. And then you can always, if you need to, you can always do a little extra tape, fancy tape, some washi. These ones I can actually cut out some of these leaves I want if I want a little bit extra shiny stuff. I got some of these little animals that I can cut out as well. I got some pumpkins. You got a almost dead pumpkin and a lively pumpkin that you can add, or you can draw ones. And this one has multiple different types of artwork on it. And you can also use, if you just want to do a drawing on a different type of color, you can actually use this as a color palette and, use it as the bottom part. Cut it out and you just use it as the fall stuff to make kind of like a thick ribbon on the bottom. And so there's all different ways you can use these things. And you don't have to, these ones are the little things that you put like a cupcake. So you can just take out the toothpick and you can glue them down there. So these ones are a little bit thicker, so you can also use them as a stencil and then draw them in as well if you want. Let's put these over yonder and let's get started. I want to try to keep these under 10 minutes or about 10 minutes if I can, so I might go a little bit silent and just kind of go fast forward through some of this stuff, and just so you can kind of watch it in the background, play a little music or something like that. But let's get started and see where we're going. This one I'm just gonna, there's some scissors. Let's get this started. Some little hocus pocus. Actually, I usually try to do the outlines of the washi. Let's do some polka dotted ones. I don't know, I can just keep them together and see if I can find the thing to get it going. I love me washi. Yesterday I had so many areas that I had to try to fast forward or fix and stuff. It was not easy trying to edit these things. I did not really, and I kept getting my head in the way too. And I'm like, oh my God, it was so irritating. I'm like, no, just keep, it's like every time I lean over, my head would be in the way. So I'm just like, dang it, stop doing this stupid stuff. Yeah. But it did turn out really, really nice. I'm trying to batch film all these things so I always have some sort of content on the channel. Since I'm kind of in between jobs and not sure what's going on. So hopefully by next month I'll have more information and we can just kind of add it down there. And like I said, this is going to be kind of MSR type of things. Also, keep an eye out whenever you go to a craft store that has these happy planners. This planner I got for $6. And it was originally a $20 one because I got it on the clearance aisle. And it's actually a really cool moon one. But it had a cut here, and I guess, they're getting new ones in, and so it was originally cut down to $8 or $10, and then I said, hey, it's got a cut in here, can I take a discount? And they're like, sure, just, you can't bring it back, final sales. I'm like, hey, that's fine. And so they gave it to me for like $6. And this is like for a year and a half. So yeah, go check out your areas and all your craft stores, your thrift stores, your garage sales, all my my stamps. I got like a whole box full of stamps of like Halloween, Christmas, and Thanksgivings and leaves and stuff for like $20, and there was like 30 different things. It was you know, total score because stamps can be expensive. And then, you know, if you have any artsy talent in your life, then you can also do some drawing. And if you're good with calligraphy, you can do really fancy stuff and hey, film it and get some content out there. Let's go into silent mode, and I'll get some of the rest in here, and we'll just make it a quick little thingy. So, chipmunk mode engaged. Why? Okay, Monday through Friday, I'll need these things to do stuff. So let's do some October speending. Here we go. Yeah. Some paint over here. So who would win between Pennywise or the Sanderson sisters? I think they'd be creeped out by Pennywise. But the same stuff, that's fine. Land. Take up all the spaces. This is like really clean, really. That was like a in there. And that's some. It was kind of sneaky for Halloween stickers this year. I haven't really had any luck. Right, is this other cake? Oh, thank you for that one on that one. And it's still right here. Last week's one, so why not? My niece's birthday. Right, how do that? There's kind of no stickers underneath. Oh, you got paint. There we go. Should I cut him in the center? Have one on the side. And then cut him. There you go. Should just use my little hole there. Let's get him on this side. I'll have a draw over later. Yeah, this is good here. There we go. Don't stay. Right. Actually, that seems hot. Yeah. And I just want to each of the girls, so I need her. Maybe I'll get her. That's not she's a little too tall. And I can have her. Right first here. And there's a bottle. I'm gonna have her holding the black candle. I'm gonna cover up the red candle in there. There we go. Ta-da! As simple as stickers. It was cheap. These things only cost me like $1.25 over at the dollar store. Actually, I think these are at five and below. Was it these ones? Yeah, I was trying to draw it. I drew some pictures on there, and that turned out a lot better than that one. Should have stuck with a skull. This just looks like Droopy the dog that he has like a wishbone or something like that in his mouth. Not that scary, but yeah. Alrighty. Call this one good. See how many minutes I have. Hopefully it recorded everything.